Hey everybody, this is Rob Harrell at MarineMax in Charleston. Today we're looking at absolutely one of my favorite boats from Boston Whaler, our 190 Montauk. She comes with a trailer with dual tandem axles. We have a swing tongue, a spare tire. This is in light blue gel coat with a white rub rail stainless insert. She is a 2025 and she is powered by a Mercury 150. Let's step on board. As we're stepping on board the 190 Montauk, you can see we do have a swim platform, and she does have the Teak Package. We have seating in the rear that also dubs as rod holders as well. And as you can see to the pilot seat, it is reversible, so you can sit forward or backwards. And your Livewell, aerated Livewell, is under here as well. This boat is equipped with a Simrad JL audio system. The T-top has a light up top, and you have rocket launchers on the back to hold your rods. Again, as we're making our way to the bow, you can see we do have teak on the side as well. You do have a compartment that you can do some storage. Your batteries are in here. We get to the front. We have a cooler seat, which is easily removable, so you have more fishing platform. We have a full bow cushion up front. When you remove the bow cushion, we have a huge fish box that doubles as a cooler as well. A trolling motor plug and anchor storage that is also insulated. We would love to show you this 190 Montauk. You can reach us at MarineMaxCharleston.com, or you can call us at 843-747-1889. Y'all have a great day. Let's get on the water.